Welcome to my YouTube channel Automates. You think luxury has peaked? Think again. The 2026 Rolls-Royce is here, and it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about what it means to ride in absolute opulence. We're not talking about just a car, we are talking about a floating sanctuary, a silent beast, a handcrafted monument on four wheels that turns every street into a red carpet. If you've ever dreamed of what it feels like to glide through life without a single vibration reaching your fingertips, this is your dream brought to life with leather, crystal, and tech so advanced it feels like magic. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Rolls-Royce demands silence. Not out of intimidation, but out of sheer awe. Its lines are smoother, more sculpted, and more assertive than ever. The iconic Pantheon grille is still there, but now it's illuminated, welcoming you like royalty. And that spirit of ecstasy, redesigned to be sleeker, more aerodynamic, and still rising proudly as the ultimate symbol of class. Under the hood, or should I say under the hood, it's all electric. That's right, Rolls-Royce has gone fully electric with the Spectre, paving the way, and now, in 2026, the entire lineup hums with clean, quiet power. But don't let that silence fool you, this thing moves. With dual electric motors pumping out a combined 600 horsepower and over 800 Newton-meters of torque, it delivers an effortless surge that makes 0 to 60 feel like a gentle breeze brushing your back. No drama, no noise, just pure, relentless forward motion. Inside is where the magic really happens. Open the coach doors, yes, they still open backwards because why not tanned? You're welcomed by a cabin that's more like a private jet lounge than a car interior. Every inch is bespoke, hand-stitched leather that smells like success, real wood veneers, polished to a mirror shine, and starry ceiling lights that mimic the constellations above your favorite city. You want your initials embroidered into the headrests? Done. You want a refrigerator in the center console perfectly sized for your favorite bottle of champagne? Already chilling, the tech subtle but stunning. You've got a fully customizable digital dash that adapts to your preferences without overwhelming you with information. The infotainment screen blends seamlessly into the dash when you're not using it, because distraction is the enemy of elegance. And then there's the voice assistant. It's not just smart, it's refined. Think of it more like your personal butler than a piece of software. Say the word, and your seat adjusts to your ideal position. Your favorite playlist begins to play, and the cabin lighting shifts to your preferred ambience. And the suspension system, Rolls-Royce calls it the magic carpet ride. And they're not joking. It uses predictive cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension in real time, so that even a pothole feels like a ripple in a dream. It's not just smooth, it's otherworldly. Rear seat passengers. They're living their best lives. Reclining seats, personal screens, footrests, massage, and enough legroom to stretch out like you're in business class, scratch that, first class, and of course, whisper quiet sound insulation that makes the rest of the world disappear. The 2026 Rolls-Royce isn't trying to be the future of luxury, it is the future. There's no futuristic minimalism here. This is bold, maximalist, unapologetic luxury that celebrates craftsmanship, heritage, and technological brilliance all in one. It's a status symbol, sure, but it's also a personal haven, a moving piece of art, and a statement that you've arrived not just physically, but in life. So, is it expensive? Of course it is. You're not just buying a car, you're commissioning a masterpiece. Every 2026 Rolls-Royce is tailored to the individual, and that means no two are ever truly alike. You're not choosing from a brochure, you're creating your vision from the ground up. And when you take delivery, it's not in a dealership. It's in a showroom worthy of a museum, with champagne, velvet ropes, and the keys delivered like a crown. So here's the truth. The 2026 Rolls-Royce doesn't just transport you, it transforms you. It turns every journey into a moment, every arrival into an entrance, and every drive into a declaration. In a world where luxury often feels mass-produced, the Rolls-Royce stands alone, hand-built, hand-finished, and built. Around you, it's not for everyone, and that's exactly the point. For those who can afford it, it's more than a car. It's a lifestyle, an identity, a legacy. And in 2026, that legacy has never looked or felt more powerful.